Hi guys, I'm Steve. Welcome back to our channel. Sandra's behind the camera. She's videoing tonight. But tonight we're doing the Sadza. I'm making Sadza tonight. Sadza is Sandra's favourite dish. It's a staple diet from Zimbabwe, and this is how you do it in the microwave. I've tried doing it on the stove with the pan, but no, I can't do it. I can, but it takes some doing. So the microwave is the better option for me. So I'll use Iwisa maize meal. I take 1 cup of maize. There you go. And 1 cup of cold water. I'm going to mix until it's dissolved. There you go. There you go. Make sure it's properly dissolved, and then add 2 cups of 2 cups of boiling water. One. Mix in. Mix. And then 2nd cup. There you go. Mix it a little bit. Then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Alright, I've stopped it at 2 minutes, and then give it another stir. Make sure it's give it plenty of stir. So you keep stirring it till it gets smooth, and then once you've done that, you have to sprinkle it. Just sprinkle a bit on until you get the right consistency. I like mine smooth and soft. I don't like it too thick, but you might want more. But just a bit more. Just give it a bit of sprinkle there, and then once you've got that mixed up and smooth, put it in the microwave for another 2 minutes. Put a bit more in there. That's getting to the right consistency now. That is. It just starts getting a bit harder to stir around. Once, yeah, that's getting there. So now back into the microwave. Make sure this one for 2 minutes. That's another 2 minutes. Give it another mix up. So that's getting there now. That is nice and smooth. Yep, just keep that mixing until it's really smooth, and that's about there. Put it in for another 2 minutes. There you go. Right. Last time. 2 minutes. You dip it in the water, it helps it to slide through the mixture, otherwise it gets a bit sticky. But this is the last time, so one more mix, and then for the final 2 minutes. Don't forget the gin. And that's it. All done. Final mix. Give it some and that's it. All finished. Sadza in a microwave in 8 minutes. Use the water and then put plenty on there because you know Sandra likes the Sadza. Down, smooth it out so it looks, there you go. Sadza, there you go, well done. Bon appetit. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.